In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I went from $0 a month on Walmart to $20,000 a month in sales. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you the two most important things that helped me succeed on Walmart. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Okay, so pretty much this was during the holiday season, which was great, and we ran out of stock after, of course, but it's a learning lesson. But you can see the products, pretty much the total, $20,000, 557.44. And that was after all the sales. You can see how much Walmart took, the net tax they withheld, and all that fun stuff. Now, if we scrolled on, we can see refunds. There was a significant amount of refunds, so we need to fix that next time. And a lot of the refunds were due to us shipping the product ourselves and then customers saying they didn't receive it. So there's a lot of scammers on Walmart. It just is what it is. Now the fulfillment services, you can see all of the fulfillment fees as well and go from there, and then how much was actually paid to us. But from the get, 20,000 revenue, not bad. Now let's dive into some tips and how we got there. Now, first things first is what I want to share with you is there's not that much competition on Walmart, right? So if I was doing this on Amazon, there's a lot more competition. It's a lot more fierce, right? So if we look right now on Amazon, they've got millions of sellers globally, including over 2 million active sellers. That's quite a few. Walmart has over 150,000. 150,000, 2 million, do the math. And the 150,000 probably aren't even selling. So I'm gonna narrow this down to like 100,000, maybe even 75,000 active sellers on Walmart. So it's much easier to compete on Walmart and get ahead. Number two, it's easy to get on the first page of Walmart. Let me just show you. If you are selling a naughty game, let's type in naughty game on Walmart. Look at this competition. They suck. This picture is terrible. Look how small this picture is. They don't have any reviews. And look at that title, RP Minis, Naughty Truth or Dare Other. And it's showing up #1 without any reviews. What is going on? This was never happened on Amazon, right? We've got another one. Again, no reviews. This one's decent. Sexy Truth or Dare. This one is decent, right? They've got 2 reviews, something. Like, it's just, I'm just trying to, this is terrible. Cards Against Christmas, and it's $6.99 shipping. Terrible first photo. Again, I just want to show you that, like, the competitors on here suck. So it's not that hard. If you create something, launch it on Walmart, you can get ahead pretty quick and get to the first page pretty quickly. Anyway, what we did to succeed is once you get your item on Walmart, you need to enroll in WFS. That's Walmart Fulfillment Services. It's the same as Amazon FBA. So what you do is you get all your product, you ship it all to Walmart's fulfillment center, and boom, they make it Walmart Plus, which is the same as Amazon Prime. And if somebody orders, pretty much it pushes you to page #1 and it automatically increases your sales. I think they advertise you for free more if you're WFS, because if your item is WFS, pretty much people just even with no reviews, people randomly find it and buy it. And that usually doesn't happen on Amazon. If you have no reviews and you launch a product, you're pretty much in a little piece of sand on a beach. And nobody can actually find your little piece of sand. But on Walmart, it's different. So make sure you're using WFS. I see a lot of people not doing this, and that's probably the #1 reason why you're not successful. Number 2 is you need to take Walmart's free course. You need to understand everything about Walmart. Do you know what SEM ads are? If you don't, then hey, time to take it, time to get ahead so you can succeed on Walmart. So get on, they've got special ads, they've got SEM ads, they've got advertising.walmart.com, which are completely different. They've got 2 types of ads, and then you want to understand everything. All you have to do is just type in on Google, free Walmart seller training, and they've created a special free training for you, and I highly recommend that you take it so you understand everything Walmart has to offer, and most importantly, how to fix issues when they come up, because Walmart's a new platform, so there's tons of issues. Number 3, you need to realize you're better than 90 to 99% of the competition on Walmart. All you have to do is pretty much to show up on page #1 is BWFS, make sure your title's good. This title sucks. Make sure you at least have one review, right? Just get one review. It's not that hard to get a review. I'll talk about that at the end of the video, but you can literally get one review. That's gonna help. Make sure you have bullet points. Make sure you have multiple photos, like 5 photos, have a lifestyle image with somebody like holding the product. And that pretty much does most of the work. You can see this seller right here, it's showing up Dirty Minds, but again, they're not WFS. You can tell they're not WFS because it doesn't have, it just says in 3+ days. WFS, WFS, WFS. This one's probably getting sales even though it has no reviews just because it's WFS. But again, they don't have good bullet points. They don't have a good description. They don't have multiple photos. They don't even have a brand. So, you know, try it out and make sure that your listing's better than the competitors. It's not too hard to do on Walmart. And remember, Walmart, it looks like Walmart actually created this listing themselves because it said sold and shipped by Walmart. So if you're competing with Walmart and their listings suck, like you could get ahead. And then one black hat tactic that works right now, it's probably not gonna work in the future, is reviews. Okay, so I'm just gonna be honest, on Walmart, what I've seen is if you buy your own product, you could leave a 5-star review and Walmart's going to show it. You could ask like 50 friends to buy your product and they'll leave a review and it's going to show. So right now, the reviews on Walmart, it's easy to manipulate. And, you know, I just want to share that with you, okay? It just is what it is. It's not like Amazon. If you do that on Amazon, you'll get kicked off. Right now on Walmart, it's free game. Okay, thanks for staying towards the end of the video. I'm going to be giving you the 2 most important things that matter on Walmart. And number 1 is going to be reviews. And what I mean by that is you need to have at least 1 review. If you have 1 review on they'll buy it without a review. Like this one's definitely generating sales. I'm just gonna be honest, it definitely, just because it's WFS. If you can get a friend, even you're allowed to do it yourself on Walmart to buy your own product and leave a review, yes, that works. That helps increase sales dramatically, okay? So that's one thing I wanna tell you. That's not gonna help you get to the first page. That's just gonna help buyers want to buy from you. To get to the first page, you need to have a good price. So if you're looking, whatever your starting price is, try to stay around there. You'll see if you increase your price on Walmart, that Walmart will actually try to like hide your listing and put it on the second page. So just make sure your price is competitive. And those are my 2 big tips. So again, having a good price is good in Walmart's eyes. Having good reviews is good in the customer's eyes. Okay? That's pretty much it. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below of your favorite emoji if you already sell on Walmart and how it's going. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you already sell on Walmart, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with anything on Walmart, listing optimization, increasing your sales, full account management, we specialize in all of those. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.